Hi, and in this video we're going to learn about named ranges. Sometimes you can name a range, that way you know what kind of data is in that cell, and instead of using cell ranges, you can use that named range. So if I wanted to sum this group of data, I would just click the Sum button, and right now you'll notice that it says C4 through C7, but what you can do is name that range. So you select with your white cross the data that you want to name. This is the name box over here, so I'm just going to call this expenses. Now you can't have any spaces in your names. So now you'll notice if I select another cell range, it just has the cell reference, but if I select this range, it says expenses. Well, if you've made a mistake or you need to make a change later to those names, you go to Formulas, Name Manager, and here is where you can see all of the named files. You can edit current names if you don't like the name, and you can create new named ranges. You can also delete named ranges if you've accidentally named something incorrectly. So now what you'll notice is I could do this function again. This time I decided to use the Insert function button. And instead of the range here, I could select this range, and you'll notice it says expenses now, which is what I named that range. So I have now just used a function with a named range, and I'm looking at my function up here in the formula bar.